Hello guys, it's Mokuba here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create a group in your Facebook page or account. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing to do that, you simply need to log into your Facebook page or account. Once you're there, you click on this three dots. After which, you click on what? Groups. Once you get here, you click on what? Groups up here. After that, you click on this plus. Once you're here, you are going to see create group. Click on it. So you simply need to insert the name of the group you want to create. For policy, simply leave it on what? Public or private. So I'm going to leave it on public. After that, I'll click on what? Create group. So guys, after creating your group, you simply need to click on what? Next. You simply insert your cover picture. If you have one, you simply need to just upload it, but I'm going to leave it like that. After that, I'll click on what? Next. If you have a description about your page, you simply need to insert it. So I'll just leave it like that. So after that, you click on what? Next. That is, you need to choose your goal. Let's say meet people. If it is, you can put any of them if you want. Business, selling. So after that, you click on what? Next. You simply leave something for the post that is about the group. Thanks for joining. Click on what? Post. After that, you click on what? Done. So guys, we just successfully created our Facebook group, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.